Leo 5. Rock formations at the edge of a precipice. The enduring stability of rock gives us a sense of geological time. And this takes us out of our sense of self in terms of everyday and ordinary and having a life duration in 70 or 80 years. We're given a sense of scope with this new way of looking at things. And the idea that we're important has to be balanced against the eternity, in a sense, of other things, the eternity of the cosmos, the longevity of the earth as a consciousness. And we take place within this geological drama, albeit for a very short period of time and having very little significance in the whole picture of things. Yet we do have significance of an overwhelming consequence to ourselves. And this polarity of absolutely insignificant on the one hand and totally central to our being on the other is one of the polarities in life, and it is very good to dance between them. Another image that Jones rather favours in this, putting forward the idea of a rock precipice being the symbol of both risk and security simultaneously. It's a nice idea. So the precipice suggests risk, doesn't it? You don't want to fall off and die. But the rock itself, the mountain, is the image of stability. So if we turn that metaphor into psychological terms, we can see that what we hold to be safe and enduring and never going to give way, the rock foundation, the basis of our lives, that security really is only ever made real in any true sense according to the risks that we're willing to take. For two reasons. First of all, the security of our life, the stability that we believe in, must be tested for us to develop belief. And if it's going to be tested, then we need to be at risk. And secondly, the more risks we take, the more we find we can cope with the dangers that arise. And therefore, that deepening of self-confidence, that affirmation and dependability of faith becomes the foundation of our stability in life. And this is Jones's take on the matter. Life comes in waves. We build up and up and up, perhaps to a crescendo and a crisis point and a resolution, and then move on to the next, towards the next chapter in our lives, which will have its own crescendo of danger and resolution at a crossroads of some kind. That's how it is. And that's reality is like that. It's not just our lives. Reality is just like that. It comes in waves. And these waves are the ups and downs of the dualities in life. A little bit more masculine, a little bit more feminine, a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more in danger, a little bit this, a little bit that. That's how it is. So we have to come to terms with that. And the way to come to terms with it is not to try and insist upon security and comfort and an easy way through life. That actually isn't the most secure strategy. And that's because danger will come. Discomfort, upset will come. Every one of us faces some kind of turbulence, a relationship breakup, a marriage destroyed, children come into our lives, leave our lives, a job opportunity lost, a job opportunity won. These are major shifts in life. And we face them knowing that they hold danger. And as we develop a sense of confidence and aplomb dealing with these, we become more and more secure within ourselves. So it is foolish for us to believe that the best strategy to feel that sense of security in oneself is to avoid danger, to pursue comfort and wealth and so on. It's not true. the best strategy for us to develop the poise that we can cope with anything is to cope with things, lots of things, take on risky ventures, put yourself in harm's way, get yourself out of harm's way, because there is no other way in which you can learn the confidence that comes with being able to get yourself out of harm's way. So we're being advised here to take a few more risks and learn how to make sure those risks do not capitalize upon the potential danger that they hold, but in fact are resolved by good management on your part.